What's up traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and this is the first edition of Ask John, so let's get into it.
Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader.
Alright traders, so in this video I'm going to read out an email or question or something that I've gotten from my clients or someone on YouTube, or a question I've gotten, and I think it's actually pretty good to answer on a video to help you guys out as well too. So I've got my handy dandy email sheet here, so let's get straight into today's question. And today's question comes from David. Now David said, John, I relate to your ambition and finding a strong interest in your trading. So obviously thank you very much, David. I appreciate your interest in the way that I trade the markets. Which trading platform would you recommend? Now before I say which trading platform to recommend, let me finish off the rest of this email and then I'll get to that question, okay? Which trading platform would you recommend? I lost money in binary options. Yeah, so do most people. But in return learned some several things on chart indicators, strategies and money management. Just looking for an honest platform that can grow into something a bit more serious. Thanks for your time. Okay, that comes from David. Now David, let's actually break this down here. Which sort of trading platform would you recommend? Any trading platform out there. If you're talking about a trading platform, then any platform that you want to trade out there, it's not the trading platform that's going to make you successful. Otherwise, there are different sort of trading platforms out there that you can use. And it's going to vary from different broker how they actually work, and obviously the brokerage fees behind that. But if you're talking about a trading platform, then it doesn't matter what trading platform you're using. It all comes down to the trader, one, and secondly the strategy you're using. Now the trade is all about the mindset, visualizing, getting the right mind frame, not trading in a fearful state, all those different things, right? So that's the first thing I do say. Now you also mentioned here that you've lost money in binary options. That's most people do as well too. And you said you learn a lot of things, which is really good. But then you also went on and talked about, let's actually do this. Let's see if I can. Here we go, here. But then you also went on and talked about, here, said, I'm just looking for an honest platform that can grow into something more serious. Okay, so let's actually talk about this here. Grow into something more serious. Binary options is not a platform, a market to grow into something more serious. Now it can, once you get really good at trading, okay, really good at picking direction, get a high win-loss ratio, you can do really well at binary options, okay, especially if you're really patient and waiting there, okay. But for the average person, binary options is not the way to go. Just look at this for a minute, okay. When you're trading binary options, have a look at this here for a minute. When you're trading binary options, you either make, say, 80% in 60 seconds or lose 100% in 60 seconds. Now, I don't know about you, but that to me sounds like a really bad deal. You know what I mean? And here's the reason why. How do you expect, if you have that level of, oh my goodness, I can lose everything on this trade in 60 seconds, you're not going to have the level of confidence to put on a $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 position, right? And the reason why is because you know you can lose every single thing. But let me ask you a question. What if you're trading a strategy, any strategy out there, doesn't matter, that where you get in and you know your risk and on this trade can be as maximum of, say, so let's say it was a really catastrophe trade. It was 40% loss. That's an absolute catastrophe, but it's a 40% loss. Now you're in a situation, right, where you can actually start to move forward regularly and start to build a strategy and a foundation towards moving forward. Makes sense? So the first thing I do say is, if you are trading binary options, that is the fastest way for you to not get ahead, because the thing is it's not the binary options. People use this automated stuff and the binary options. People love binary options, but you're going to lose money again and again and again and again. I promise you, unless you know what you're really doing, or how to really know how to read the charts properly, and you've been doing it for years and years and years and years, don't even look at binary options, right? Because I promise you, you'll lose money long term every single time, okay? Because that doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? So for me personally, my average loss, you know, might be anywhere between 10 and maybe 30%. You know what I mean? That's my sort of average loss that I have there. But I'm very happy putting on a position knowing that my success, if the trade does run on the profit, it could be anywhere from 50 to, you know, like I recently just put on a trade on Microsoft and got out for like 100% plus profit, and there's still part of the position on where I can make even more profit. You know what I mean? And but obviously if the trade goes wrong, you're not risking 100%. Make sense? So if you're looking for a platform, if you're looking for a market to move overall when trading, then I would say start to look at markets, start to look at trading strategies that you can cut your losses and then obviously let your profits run. With binary options, it's not like that. Makes sense? So what I recommend, David, is obviously on this screen you can see a little free course image. Click on that. I'm giving away a free course right now that'll help you with trading systems, that'll help you with charting analysis, that'll help you with how to read the markets, that'll help you with money management. It'll help you have a trading strategy. So no matter what market you want to trade out there, you can trade Forex, you can trade stock markets, you can trade futures. No matter what market you want to trade out there, just stay away from binary options because the way that's set up is actually against you. You need like a 70% win loss ratio just to break even, and it's not the odds are against you of doing really well. Makes sense? So, anyways, that's it for me. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the chat box below here on this video, or send me a message, send me an email, or go to my website official.how.com, and I will be happy to answer your email. I'm out of here, guys. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.